Ay, Rog, yung reaction lang ni Natalia ang kunin mo. Huwag ako ah. Wow!
Everyone is snowy summer.
Hi, Lala!
我哋而家出發去安生嘅冰雪皇宮啦！
Say hi!
一陣見。
On a day very much like today, Anna saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love. And born of frozen heart.
Oh, and now they're best friends.
Indeed.
最後嘅朋友啊！ 你哋係人類生嘅冰雪皇宮啊！有冇咁開心？你們生
Oh no! Ooh! Wow! Oh my gosh! It's so pretty! Wow! Okay lang. Elsa! We're coming! Bakit ka? Bye! Asan? Where? Ah! Olaf is there! Sino ka mukha niya? Ha? Say hi to Anna. Anna! Say bye to Anna.